The 24th Newfoundland general election was held on 30 October 1913 to elect members of the 23rd General Assembly of Newfoundland in the Dominion of Newfoundland. The Liberal Party led by Robert Bond formed a coalition with the Fishermen's Protective Union led by William Coaker. Although the majority held by the Newfoundland People's Party was reduced in this election, it was again returned to power and Edward P. Morris continued to serve as Prime Minister of Newfoundland. A general election originally scheduled for 1917 was deferred until 1919 because of World War I. After Morris retired from politics in 1918, William F. Lloyd, a Liberal member of the Executive Council, was asked to form a government. In May 1919, Patrick Cashin, the leader of the People's Party, introduced a motion of no confidence which resulted in the defeat of the government. Cashin served as Newfoundland Prime Minister until the election held later in 1919. Seat totals. Members elected: Bay deferred, Albert E. Hickman Liberal, Coalition, John C. Crosby People's Party, Bonavista Bay, William F. Coaker FPU, Coalition, Alfred B. Maureen FPU, Coalition. Elected in 1914, Robert G. Windsor FPU, Coalition, John Abbott FPU, Coalition, Burgio Lapoil, Robert Moulton People's Party, Buren, John S. Curry People's Party, Thomas Lefebvre People's Party, Carbonear, John Goodison People's Party, Speaker, Ferryland, Michael P. Cashin People's Party, Philip F. Moore People's Party, Fogo, William W. Halfyard FPU, Coalition, Fortune Bay, Charles Emerson People's Party, Harbour Grace, A. W. Picot People's Party, E. Parsons People's Party, Monsieur Young People's Party, Harbour Maine, William Woodford People's Party, G. Kennedy People's Party, Placentia and St. Mary's, R. J. Devereux People's Party, Frank J. Morris People's Party, William J. Walsh People's Party, Port de Grave, George F. Grimes FPU, Coalition, St. Barb, William Monsieur Clapp Liberal, Coalition, St. George's, Joseph F. Downey People's Party, St. John's East, James Monsieur Kent Liberal, Coalition, William J. Higgins People's Party, J. Dwyer Liberal, Coalition, St. John's West, Edward P. Morris People's Party, John R. Bennett People's Party, Michael J. Kennedy People's Party, Trinity Bay, John G. Stone FPU, Coalition, Archibald Target FPU, Coalition, William F. Lloyd Liberal, Coalition, Twillingate, Robert Bond Liberal, Coalition, William F. Coaker FPU, Coalition. Elected in 1914, James A. Clift Liberal, Coalition, Walter Jennings FPU, Coalition. Notes. In 1914, Bond resigned his seat in the Assembly. In the same year, Coaker resigned his seat in Bonavista to allow Alfred B. Maureen to be elected there and successfully ran for re-election to the seat vacated by Bond. Smallwood, Joseph R. 1981. Encyclopedia of Newfoundland and Labrador. v. 1. ISBN 0-920508-14-6. Election results 1913. Newfoundland and Labrador Heritage. Memorial University. Archived from the original on 5 October 2012. Retrieved 19 November 2009.